Hello everyone, today we are going to try this unique lip balm by Renee Cosmetics.
Which changes color according to your pH.
Wow, that's interesting.
I am very excited to see what color this turns out to be.
I hope it's not black.
Wow, it's black in color.
Black?
Yeah, so
That's something unique.
I know. You go first.
Okay.
So it is not giving me much color. It is kind of a clear gloss for me. I think I would not buy this. I would rather, go for a lip gloss. I can't see much color.
So mine is slightly pigmented and it's giving out a baby pink color, which is pretty much close to my natural lip color. So I wouldn't really purchase it because it doesn't really make a difference.
It's more over like a tinted chapstick. That's it. And it's okay. It just does look like a lipstick. Not even lipstick, a lip tint. But it's $499, $500. I won't buy this lip balm for 500 rupees. I'm sorry.
It's quite smooth. It feels nice, the texture feels nice, but okay, like I wouldn't buy it for 500.
I love the tint that it's giving me because I'm a huge fan of nude colors. I love the warmth that it's adding to my lips. I think it's quite a nice shade. I would definitely try this even though it's for $500. And also I've always wanted to own a black lipstick, so +1. So yeah, I would definitely go for this.
I don't really see any color. I just see a gloss and I really like her shade.
I like yours, by the way.
I'm not really a fan of glossy.
I think it's giving her a lovely tint, a lovely gloss.
That's really sweet of you to say, but I really didn't like it and I won't buy this.